One command puts every resource in a scene in its place. But before that command, this is the reality. Building a scene is never about a single file. Put an emoji in the wrong folder, it silently vanishes. Voiceover, subtitles, assets, each has its own rules. This episode goes from that mess to that one command. Let me lay out the map first. One scene sits on top of a few resource families. Voiceover and its timing set the scene boundaries. Open the voiceover folder, and this clip mapping pins every line to its in and out frame. Import-ready video comes in as the base layer. Images live in the images folder as asset layers. Emojis get one dedicated, locale-neutral folder. Sound effects are a shared library, matched to beats. Subtitles split by language, following the recording. Then the AE script family, config, scene, camera, post. That is the full picture of the scatter. Now let me bring in the command. A scene init, give it a scene ID and a project path, and it reconciles all those resources into place. But here is where it really saves you. Every scene, you re-reference the same rulebooks. The command expands them in one shot. What you are seeing now is the real content of those rulebooks. Q65, create a scene from narration. Q76, a conditional prompt for complex animation. Q84, auto-match sound effects. Plus the icon conventions. You stop memorizing. The command remembers for you. Talk is cheap, so let me actually run it. Here is a tiny demo project, just a couple lines of narration. I type the command, a scene ID, and this project. Watch what it does. It reads the narration for this scene, expands those rulebooks we just saw, then reconciles resources across the folders. And a scene script is generated, then it builds itself, and the frame comes straight up, rendered out, and this is the finished result. One mark, made for every canvas. It scales, it adapts, it always reads as you. Light, dark, mono, one system. One identity, composed for every screen. I never touched a single resource folder by hand. So where did all of it land? VoiceOver wires up the scene boundaries. Video drops to the base. Images become asset layers. Sound effects line up with every beat. And every line of copy lands as a styled text layer. Everything scattered, one command, all in its place. This command, and the resource conventions behind it, are just one link in the full AE workflow. The prompts and demo from this episode are in the description. To run the complete toolchain behind it, come join the 2D membership. See you at the next command.